Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your TikTok videos from one person. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first, you want to go to the user's profile or the person that you want to hide your TikTok from. So for example, I'm just gonna choose Charlie. And now once you are in the user's profile, just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen, and you want to block the user. There. Once you've blocked that user, you can just go ahead and go back to your profile and go to your video, and then make sure that the settings that you can see my videos is on friends. So to do that, just go ahead and click on these three little dots at the right side of your screen and scroll until you see privacy settings. And then now, as you can see who can watch this video, just go ahead and click on that and choose friends. Friends means followers that you follow back. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.